Hello beautiful people, welcome to Lily the Swan's first YouTube video. We're so excited to have you here with us today. So let's jump right into it. Today we're going to go over some basic balloon lingo and techniques used to construct your balloon garland. So get a pen and paper to take some notes or simply sit back, munch on some popcorn and enjoy. So we're going to start off with single and double stuffed balloons. Most LTS kits come with a variety of both. Single or single stuffed balloons, as the name suggests, is just one balloon, whereas the double stuffed balloons is one balloon stuffed in another. We use this to create a custom color, so it's like a fusion of two balloon colors. Please do not inflate balloons by mouth. That's a massive no-no. Each LTS kit comes with a dual action hand pump. If you want to speed up the inflating process, you can also purchase an electric pump. If you take away nothing from this video, remember this: round, not pear. We do not want shaped pear balloons here. It's a sign that the balloon is overinflated, so aim for roundness, people. Once your balloons form a pear shape, you've gone too far. To fix this, before tying your balloon, simply push the balloon onto a surface. You can push it into the palm of your hand, table, wall, your body, or any flat surface. But while pushing, you can also deflate the balloon by releasing little amounts of air to achieve a rounder shape. As the name suggests, this tool is used to tie balloons. To use this tool, simply insert your middle and your ring fingers as shown, leaving your thumb and your index fingers available to grip the balloon. Pull that balloon neck and wrap it round the tool, bringing the neck above the starting point. Tuck it under the loop, push it upwards and pull through. Now, if you wrap the neck below the starting point, a knot will not be formed. So remember, people, above, not below. You can also use your fingers to tie balloons, but the latex will leave your fingers dry. It's the same process. Wrap the neck around about 3 fingers. Creating a loop. Tuck the neck under, push upwards and pull through. Just like you can get paper cuts, the latex can also cut the skin, so we recommend using the balloon tying tool. Tying double stuffed balloons are no different. You don't need to tie both balloons, just the inner balloon. So stretch the inner neck out and tie. Please use the balloon tying tool. It's just a bad habit of mine, tying balloons with my fingers. You can tie both balloons if you want to, but it's double the latex, so it makes it tougher. Once you're done, just tuck that inner balloon neck in. When constructing a balloon garland, this can be done with a variety of techniques, using fishing line, balloon decorative tape, clusters, etc. We use duplets or pairs, quads and clusters when constructing a garland with fishing line. However, for a construction with balloon tape, balloons are tied individually. You can check out links below for the tutorials for both techniques in the description below. A duplet is formed by grouping or attaching two balloons together. To do this, once both balloons are inflated, pull both necks apart and wrap one neck around the middle and tie a knot. Make sure you pull tight to avoid air seeping out. Now, major key here, I call this the LTS balloon hold. You can wrap one balloon neck around your fingers in some sort of zigzag motion to avoid air seeping out while leaving your index and your thumb free in order to grab hold of your second balloon while you inflate it. Remember people, push those balloons to make them round. If you're using an electric pump like this one, you can blow both balloons simultaneously and tie them together. To ensure no air seeps out at all, we recommend wrapping round twice. Again, for double stuffed balloons, you only need to tie both inner balloon necks together. Don't forget, wrap round twice. You can also tie balloons individually and then tie both necks together. You don't need to wrap it round twice. Clusters of balloons grouped together to form one. You can also have clusters of 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. But we recommend stopping at 8 because anything higher than that might make it harder for you to handle while constructing your garland. To form an even numbered cluster like 6, just add a set of duplets to a cord. To form an odd number cluster like 5, just add a single balloon to a cord or like 3, then just add 1 to a duplet. And what you need to do is tie that neck of the single balloon into one of the balloons in the clusters already, but make sure it's quite tight so all the balloons are cuddled up. So like I said before, balloon garlands can be constructed using tools such as fishing line, curling ribbon, modeling balloons, balloon tape, etc. All LTS kits come with fishing line and balloon tape, so you decide how you want to construct your garland. Don't forget, links to both techniques are in the description below. When tying your balloons, ensure you stretch that neck and tie the knot close to the base of the balloon to give it a longer neck or noodle, as some people say. Fillers, now this is where we spice things up. So fillers are used to break up colors or fill in spaces in your garland. Fillers can include small, regular or large size balloons, as well as flowers and other accessories. In order to attach the small balloons to the garland, we need to prep it first. And so to do this, we need to group the small balloons into quads, clusters of 3, duplets, or as individuals, and attach these to 2 different set types to 1 modeling balloon. We suggest splitting the modeling balloon into 2 just because it makes it, it gives a shorter length, and so it's easier to attach to a specific spot on your garland. So just tie a knot or 2 on one end with 1 set. So in this scenario, we're using the individual balloon and the quad. So just going to attach the quad to the other end of the modeling balloon, and that's it. These are now prepped and ready to be attached to your garland. Fillers can be attached to a garland using a range of tools such as modeling balloons, rubber bands, glue dots, low temperature glue gun, double-sided tape or regular tape like sellotape. All LTS kits come with modeling balloons and glue dots. Want to take your garland to the next level? Then buy a locks kit. All LTS locks kits transform your garland. They include accessories, faux flowers, or sometimes both. So level up, people. Buy your locks kit today at lilytheswan.com. Flowers can be placed into spaces between balloons and secured with sellotape for a stronger hold, but be careful people, please do not pop your balloons in the process. Once you're done with your balloons, please dispose them properly. Lily the Swan is a proud member of the Pro Environment Balloon Alliance. You can find out more about this on our website. And that's it people. Thanks for hanging with us today. We hope you've learned something new. If you still have a question, please check out our F&Q page on our website or send us an email. Thanks for watching. Follow us on our socials and join our club. Till next time, bye.